Here is the Hollywood Soccer Club Red Dragons playing on a beautiful fall day here in sunny, usually sunny Portland, Oregon. And there's so much water on the field, the ball's not even moving. And there's Ethan in yellow down there in the cage, getting soaked. And the score is 1-1. Oh, and Ethan just had a save. Look at that.
Watch the ball! Dave, watch it!
And boy, it's slippery and wet out there. Look at that ball bouncing in the mud.
Chase, get in there! Go!
There's so much water on the ground, the ball barely rolls.
Miles, to the wing! To the wing! Sorry, Miles, I meant Elias.
And Ethan with another save down there. Ball's barely moving. Got a goal kick.
Chase, get him ball!
Making a little video here. And it is wet, wet, wet.
There you go, up the line, Chase! Now keep track, up the line!
Not myself.
Chase, yeah, get in there! Get Simon down!
Stay with it! Stay with it! Come on, Calvin! Good job, Henry!
And it's a goal in the mud and rain. Good job, guys.